What came first, the garden or the railroad? I got a lot of comments on my last video saying that you needed a garden before you could have a garden railroad. But in my case, I actually laid all the track first and then built the garden after. You do need to choose somewhere outside to put your garden railroad. In my case, my front yard is about 40 feet long and 10 feet deep. But you can do it in much smaller of a space. For example, here on my driveway, I have a point-to-point trolley system, a gondola, that fits in a space that's about 2 feet wide and 20 feet long. A lot of people on the internet will have different opinions about what you should build your track on top of. For me, I like to do it just like they do in real life, which is on top of ballast. And this is 3/8 inch gravel, which I use for scale ballast for G-scale railroads. Again, there's a lot of different ways to build a garden railroad, so I'm just sharing with you the way that I've done it. Follow along for part 3 and I'll go more in depth into the track, how I choose it, and how I set it up.